What is up, everybody? Just a quick disclaimer before we get into this video. Just a reminder, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So please take what I'm saying with a grain of salt. Everything that you do is your own financial and fiscal responsibility. Let's get it going. What is up, everybody? It is Jerry again with Dip and Rip Trading, here to give you one more video for the evening. This one is regarding ticker symbol AMC. We are going to just dive right in here. So we finished the day, the intraday, at $31.75, and then progressively into the after hours. We ended up closing the after hours right around $31.83, up 0.09%. in the after hours. Now, for those of y'all that don't remember, if you didn't catch my video yesterday, I did kind of anticipate that this could happen, because typically when we have a massive run up like that, AMC's typical trend is to have that 50 to 61.8% retracement, and then usually we bounce from there, especially if we're following an ascending level of support, which is exactly what we're doing right now. So now, in continuation with that, so my video yesterday, I was talking about how I could see it hitting that $31.91 range. So based on the intraday, I was relatively close. I mean, I was within 16 cents, just based off of the chart analytics and where I thought it could go. So getting within 16 cents, I feel like, is definitely a win, especially because price predictions are very, very difficult and near impossible to narrow down. So anyway, where I anticipate us to get to tomorrow. So tomorrow, hopefully we can continue following this ascending level of support that you see right here, and just get a bounce off of it, just like we typically do, and move upward from there. We do have a smaller level of resistance around that $34 range, and then up around that $35.67 range, as well as 37, and then up to 39, and then 40. Obviously, now 40 is going to be a major level of psychological resistance also, so it's definitely something that we want to see and actually cross for sure, because it's been a long time since we've been in the 40s. So right here, let me go to the minute. So what we see here, so we have the 15 MA that is currently trading below both the let's see, what is this? The 200 EMA as well as the VWAP. So we want to make sure that this 15 MA starts to hook back up towards and cross that 200 EMA as well as that VWAP. Usually when we cross that VWAP, we start to see I would say a not quite a drastic, but definitely a pretty dramatic increase in volatility as well as price action. We did see it happen this morning when we were hitting, I think we almost hit $38, or maybe we did hit $38 early this morning. So it's definitely something to keep an eye on tomorrow. Now, hypothetically, if we don't bounce off of this and we start to trend downward, so if we start to trend downwards, our next level of support roughly it's pretty much towards that $25 range. So we do have a little bit of support at $29.26, and then from there it could bring us to that $25 mark if we break that support line. So hopefully that's not the case. 25.54 is kind of what I'm seeing here. So hopefully that's not the case, but hopefully we're able to continue this bullish momentum that we've had. Typically a day like what we had today, after what did we run up almost 12% yesterday? It kind of is what it is. Stocks can't always go up forever. So just keep that in mind. Let me see. There's one more thing I wanted to cover real quick. Ideally, I remember what it was. So one thing also to consider, especially with where we're at on the RSI. So the RSI, we are pretty heavily oversold. So let me see here. So we are hovering just over 30, that 30-point range. So on that 1 hour, we're at 36. On the 4 hour, we're at 42. On the 30-minute, we're at 31.43. So definitely, typically when we hit underneath that, and you can see here, like anytime we dip underneath that 30-point mark on the RSI, we usually have a bounce. Even if we do eventually come down, it's definitely nice to see consistency there whenever we hit that oversold territory. So we were definitely oversold today. So hopefully we can continue that ascending level of that bounce off that ascending level of support and continue our upward momentum. For any other videos that you want to see here, please feel free to smash that like button and also hit up that subscribe button. If you have any comments, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. Other than that, this was the update on AMC. If you guys need anything, I will be here tomorrow, and I will see you guys then. Good luck in the markets.